can't tell you how excited I was to hear that Help for Heroes are going to be doing another garden or exhibiting something at Chelsea Flower Show again this year, and I've had the real privilege to come up and see some of the Help for Heroes veterans working with the students at Sparsholt College to see what they're going to present in the Great Pavilion. My first experience, and really I think where my passion started for horticultural therapy and health and well-being through horticulture was with Help for Heroes. So we exhibited in 2014. Really for me the thing that stands out as one of the true benefits is just distracting people. So if you can create something beautiful or give someone a reason to go out and start working in the garden, you can break everyday thought processes. And what I love about Help for Heroes being there and the fact that students are getting involved is great is often when you hear about trauma or veterans and servicemen and women, you only ever think of the physical ailments that people have. But what's crucial is to raise awareness and for people to have a greater understanding of the mental trauma people go through. And the whole garden it's really a message about the recovery process, how the veterans feel as they're going through recovery, how they did feel when they went through it themselves. And that's what's lovely, is it's a real genuine garden with a strong message because it comes from the veterans who've been there and gone through it themselves. Just to see how much gardening, how much horticulture does actually help people in recovery, how it helps improve mental health and well-being, and this is a perfect example of that.